Materials: thermocol sheet, cutter, glue. Colors: brush, cotton, straw, clay, white chart paper, toothpick. Step-by-step procedure. Place thermocol sheet as base. Make hill land with thermocol. Stick cotton clouds on top. Add blue paper plastic raindrops. Paint river and lake with blue. Make well from thermocol strip and paint grey. Make hand pump with straw clay. Add labels on white paper with toothpicks. Use paint marker for arrows flow. Check model for realistic school project look. Sources of water. Short explanation. Water comes from clouds as rain. Rainwater flows into rivers. Rivers carry water to lakes and ponds. Some water goes underground. Wells and hand pumps provide underground water. All these sources are used for daily life and nature. Sources of water. Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain my model on sources of water. Water is very important for all living things. We get water from different natural sources. First, water comes from clouds in the form of rain. This is called rainwater. Rainwater flows into rivers. Rivers carry water from one place to another. Then rivers collect water in lakes and ponds. Lakes store large amounts of water. Some rainwater goes inside the ground. This is called underground water. We get underground water through wells and hand pumps. All these sources are very important for drinking, farming and daily use. Thank you, smiling face with smiling guys.